Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we're going to be working here on a Porsche Cayenne, and we'll be doing a video about throttle body removing and replacement. So this one will be the 4.5 engine, might be here for another Cayennes as well. In addition guys, we're going to have more than 200 videos on this car. So please subscribe even if you have a different engine. Everything, bodywork, suspension will be the same. So please hit that subscribe button for more videos, and if you need help with anything, drop a comment below. So you can see on that 4.5, okay, we have the engine bay uncovered here, the dust cover is removed, everything is here. If you need help with that, it will be on the channel. The procedure is pretty simple, but if you need help, check it out. So this is your throttle body right here, so we can go ahead and start on it now. So all the parts and tools that will be used in this video, you can find them in the description of the video below. So now we need a torque sturdy bit. Okay, this is a torque sturdy bit, and let me explain how you remove those plastic bolts here, and the one on the also on the airbox right there. Now most people will break those, and I'll show you how, and you will not even suspect that yours were broken probably. So as you can see, okay, on top of this bolt right here, okay, there is one dot. Okay, this dot right here. So this dot guys, okay, needs to face this way in order to be able to pull it out. Usually when they're locked in place, it will be placed like that, opposite. Then you have to turn it this way, okay, you can see that white thing of the plastic, where it's a little bit wider than the rest of it. That's where it needs to face. The same will apply to this one here. Okay, and for this one, the easiest thing will be to actually, okay, disconnect the throttle body cable here. Okay, so it's not in the way. I'll leave it like that, and you can see it's already where it's supposed to be. When it's locked, it's like that. And now we need to bring that dot here to the white part and see what will happen. Now stay with us to show you about the airbox, because that's a very tricky situation too. Now there is one tooth on the bottom side that goes in that white opening. Now that tooth will break if people are not careful, so you need to make sure everything aligns, and after that all you have to do, okay, grab it, okay, with the pliers and just pull it straight out without twisting. Okay, our tooth is broken. That's where it was supposed to be. It's not there anymore because somebody messed it up. Now the same thing we do to this side here. Okay, this one got stuck a little bit, so let me make sure that it's situated where it's supposed to be. Okay, I see that thing actually on the bottom, that tooth, that it's bent. So somebody tried to pull it out the wrong way, and now that's going to cost us a little bit, because it will be stuck. So in our case, I'll have to move it a little bit left or right until it goes in the canal, okay? And it came out. Okay, you can see this tooth, half of it is still good, half is not. So you need to make sure that this little bitty tooth, okay, right here guys, check it out, this little bitty thing goes in this canal right here. You can see how we have the two canals, otherwise you'll not be able to pull it out. Now the same thing to the airbox right here, but a little bit different location. Now you can see when they're locked in place, that's how they face forward. Now we need to bring that dot, okay, here to match this dot on the back side, okay, over here. So we'll just turn it, okay, like that, and the same thing to this one here. Perfect. Now let me see if I can pull those guys out now. Now, okay, check out the tooth on the bottom. This one is still good. And one more on this side. Okay, need to situate it exactly where it needs to go. If it doesn't come out, okay, don't break it. You need to move it a little bit. Something's not aligning. Okay, so eventually, okay, it comes out. Okay, this is this one here as well. Now, need to go to this side now. Okay, and we need to do the same thing. Now you can see the dots are on the back side. Okay, right here. So I'll turn them to align this with the dot there. And this with that dot. Okay, we'll need to go ahead and pull them out now. Okay, this one came out easy. One of them always tend to get stuck for some reason. Okay, so this one came out too. You can check it out here now. How you disconnect the mass airflow sensors? Okay, now right here, that connector. First step will be push it in. Okay, you need to push it in so you release the pressure right here on that tooth. And after that, while you're pushing in, push that tooth back and pull it out, guys. You can see the tooth is inside, right here. Same thing to this side, but the tooth is on the bottom, so you cannot see it so good. Okay, but that's what we do. And now, okay, we have one vacuum hose underneath that we need to disconnect here. You just squish. Okay, let me explain it here quick. Come to show you with the camera. On that vacuum hose right here, you need to squish those two things in and pull it out. Okay, just like that. So once you remove the intake, guys, you're ready for we can go ahead and proceed to the throttle body now. We have the water pump pulley disconnected in the belt because we'll put new belt. You don't have to do any of that. We'll just do the throttle body now, so we can show you how to do it quick. So now, with Torx 30, we're going to remove a few bolts. Okay, that wire here, we already disconnected by removing the intake. You saw that. Okay, second bolt. Okay, now we should have two more on the bottom. So those we will not be able to reach with the impact. So quite a few videos, guys, will be made on that Porsche and other cars as well. The plan is probably to upload 3-4 videos every day, tutorial videos to help you with cars as much as we can. Okay, second one right there. Alright, perfect. That's all 4 bolts so far. Okay, that metal plate. Okay, it's holding that rubber bushing there, so we need to just spread it out. Okay, perfect. This one will come out. That's the gasket here now. We have to be very gentle. Okay, and this is the throttle body out of the way now. So we're installing the throttle body is exactly in reverse order that we took it apart. You can check out the description of the video for where we usually get our parts and tools. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and see you next time.